Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download pictures from Instagram. Firstly, open Play Store and download an app called Repost for Instagram. Remember that it has to be from this developer. Meanwhile, we can go into Instagram and select the photo that we want to download. Unfortunately, this app does not support auto-rotate screen, so we have to do it this way. Now you need to click at the three dots at the top right corner of your photo. Select Share to and tap on Repost app. Then go back to it and pick one of the options, for example that one. Click at the photo and tap on this square icon to remove the label. After that, tap the middle button. Now when I go into my gallery, I can see that my picture was successfully downloaded. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!